Hello there. So if you've recently updated to firmware 4.1 and you're wondering what features you want to go and use, then this is the video for you. Now this video is best listened to on headphones. That way you're going to be able to hear the true stereo separation just like you would on your ST headphones. Now the DEUS II is both simple and sophisticated. If you want simplicity, you can just stay in the factory programs and never enter a single advanced feature. But if you wish, and only if you wish, there is a whole toolbox of advanced features available to you. Now not every tool is useful every day. Dual axis is one of those tools. It's intended for those of you who want a better understanding of the ground and to hear all the targets while still using discrimination. Its non-motion channel helps you perceive the shape of substantial targets thanks to its more complete audio envelope, and it enables a much wider detection zone. You might pass near a target without hearing it in standard reactivity modes, but non-motion will alert you more easily to a nearby target. It stands out particularly for detecting large metallic masses at great depth. Now before using dual axis properly, ground balancing is important. The all-metal channel hears everything, including the ground. So now I'll do a ground balance. Listen to how much calmer channel 2 becomes after a proper ground balance. In dual axis, this step really matters. Now dual axis runs two completely independent detection channels. In one ear, channel 1, you hear your normal discrimination program with a default reactivity of 2.5. But in the other ear, channel 2, you hear full all-metal non-motion with auto-tune set to 3. So the two channels are clearly separated. You can adjust the stereo panning fully left and right or centered, or even have it reversed. Set it to how your brain processes sound most naturally. Now I'll sweep at a moderate speed. Notice how channel 2 responds smoothly and rapidly. And here, channel 2 alerts slightly before channel 1 fully locks on. The wider response can make a huge difference. Channel 1 gives only a very short, sharp click. Channel 2 comes in earlier and gives a fuller audio envelope, indicating that a large target is nearby. And that fuller sound helps you understand the size and shape. So using the factory default settings, let's see if we can work out the shape and size of the object hidden below this blanket. This target is a large round metal dish. Did you guess it? Let's do the same with a different target hidden below. Listen carefully to what both channels are telling you, especially channel number 2. This one was a long metal bar and was clearly very different to the previous target. Now I'll pass near the larger buried mass at moderate speed, and notice how channel 2 is responding clearly when channel 1 is silent, thanks to the non-motion mode, which achieves really great depth. The wider detection field can help with substantial targets at depth. If we switch auto-tune to off, channel 2 becomes full non-motion, and now we maintain a soft threshold manually. Notice how the threshold changes depending on the height at which I retune. This is very useful in woodlands or around rocks or inside of structures where you want to follow the outline without switching to pinpoint mode. Now, to demonstrate to you just how precise the all-metal channel of dual axis can be, I've put a large metal bar on the other side of this wall. Now, this house is extremely old and the walls are very thick indeed. So with auto-tune off, let's see if we can trace this item through these thick walls. Now, this kind of depth is fairly typical for a non-motion all-metal mode. However, the clever part here is that you have non-motion with discrimination, and that means you have the best of both worlds. Now, out here, the standard programs on the DEUS II already work really well. But let's apply some of these new tools on some real ground. If I want to hear a clearer understanding of a size or shape, dual axis lets me hear discrimination and all metal working together. Now, always remember to ground balance first in dual axis, because that simple adjustment dramatically calms the all metal channel. So dual axis will not only let you gauge the size of a target, whether you choose to use auto tune on or off, but it will also let you know how deep in the ground the target is. And that's because the all metal channel is able to look further into the ground thanks to its richer and fuller audio envelope. Because we can hear the discrimination channel coming through when we're over the target, that suggests to me that the target is quite close to the coil, but we can also gauge its relative size based on the all metal as well. So we've got a target here, but take a close listen to both channels. Channel 1 is a very short and weak sound, which usually indicates that it's iron, and what is confirming it even more is that channel 2 is telling us that it's a larger target. Okay, so it's come out of this hole now, so let's pinpoint it. Okay, so this is definitely iron, just as we suspected, and it's also a moderate sized piece too, which is exactly what channel 2 told us. Perfect. Now, what I like about this signal is that we are getting a much shorter sound on channel 2, which means this one is definitely a small target. Let's compare it with the previous target. So it's saying it's still in the plug, so let's get the pinpointer. Oh wow, that looks like a little coin to me. In fact, I think it could actually be a little silver one too. Happy days. Take a listen to this very short signal, and it's only coming through on channel 2. Now, because we can't hear channel 1 at all, it could be a deep target. However, as channel 2 is so short, I'm willing to bet it's a small iron near the surface, and this one can stay in the ground. Now, if you use your MI6 paired, you now have 2 additional audio type options and an adjustable pinpointer control directly from your remote or WS6. Now, these are just practical additions that make everyday use all that bit easier. So to keep it simple, dual axis runs discrimination and all metal together in true stereo, making it easier to appreciate the target size, especially on deep or large buried objects. Sometimes simple is best, but when you need more information, that toolbox is there waiting for you. Just take your time, test it over some known targets first, and let your ears adapt naturally. Once you understand what you're hearing, it does become very intuitive. Thanks very much for watching. I'll see you again soon.